Hello everyone, I am Shilpa Shukla, roll number 607 of class TYBSc Zoology of RJ College. Today I am going to discuss about the Alzheimer's disease, which is the neurodegenerative disorder. What are the neurodegenerative disorders? Neurodegenerative diseases occurs when the nerve cells in the brain or the peripheral nervous system lose function over time and ultimately die. As we all know that the neurons are the building blocks of the nervous system. They normally don't reproduce or replace themselves. So when they become damaged or die, they cannot be replaced by the body. The likelihood of developing a neurodegenerative disease rises dramatically with the age. Scientists recognize that the combination of a person's gene and environment contribute to the risk of developing a neurodegenerative disease. For example, someone might have a gene that makes them more susceptible to the Parkinson disease, but their environmental exposure can affect whether, when, and how severely they are affected. There are many neurodegenerative disorders, but we are going to highlight some of them like Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease was discovered by Dr. Alois Alzheimer, a German physician, in 1906. Alzheimer's disease is a degenerative brain disorder which is the most common form of dementia that starts in the late middle age or in the old age, results in the progression, memory loss, impaired thinking, disorientation, and changes in personality and mood. There is a degeneration of a neuron, especially in the cerebral cortex, and formation of the neurofibrillary tangles and the plaques containing beta amyloid cells. It is the chronic and irreversible disease. It gradually destroys the ability to reason, remember, imagine, and learn. This is the comparison between the normal aged brain and the Alzheimer's brain. Now, let us see the mechanism of the disease. Many molecular and the cellular changes takes place in the brain of a person with Alzheimer's disease. First changes is amyloid plaques. It is found from the breakdown of a large protein called amyloid precursor protein. One form is beta amyloid 42. It thought to be especially toxic in Alzheimer's brain. Abnormal level of these naturally occurring protein clump together to form the plaques that collect between neurons and disrupt the function. Neurofibrillary tangles. Neurofibrillary tangles are abnormal accumulation of a protein called tau that collect inside the neurons. Healthy neurons are supported by microtubules internally. In healthy neurons, tau normally binds to and stabilize the microtubules. In Alzheimer's disease, tau detaches from the microtubule and stick to other tau molecules, which forms thread that join to form a tangle inside the neurons. This blocks the neuron transport system. Third is chronic inflammation. Inflammation is caused by the building up of the glial cells, normally help in keeping the brain free from the debris. Microglial and astrocytes fails to clear plaques and cell debris and collect around neurons, leading to inflammation and damaging function of the nerves. Now let us see the causes of Alzheimer's disease. The causes of Alzheimer's disease is not known. However, several factors are thought to be influencing it. First one is neurochemical factors like acetylcholine, somatostatin, norepinephrine. Environmental factors are cigarette smoking, certain infections, metals like iron, zinc, industrial or other toxins, and use of cholesterol lowering drugs. Immunological factors include oxidized LDL receptor, angiotensin, etc. There are several risk factors which include family history, chronic high BP, head injury, smoking, and drinking. The disease can be diagnosed by many tests like psychiatric assessment, cerebrospinal fluid examination, CT scan, MRI, etc. There is no cure for the disease but can reduce the symptoms by giving treatment of acetylcholine esterase inhibitors and antidepressant. Caregiving is required since the disease has no cure. If the video was informative to you, so do like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.